Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the New Zealand versus US dollar. Today's date is October 17, 2024. Let's get started. Looking at the price action over the last 2 weeks, I'm going to put a more solid horizontal line, red line, right here at the 61.8% retracement. That's of the move up from our low price that we saw in the month of August to the high price that we saw in the month of September. This move right here, the 61.8 came in at 0.60509, and you can see that over the last 2 weeks there have been tries below that 61.8% retracement, but the low price that we saw in trading this week did find support buyers against this swing area through here, where initially had support, then had resistance, and then came back to it, found resistance, before moving to the upside, and then again finding resistance right here and moving to the downside. It wasn't here that the price finally broke to the upside, leading to our high price that we saw earlier in this month. The sharp move to the downside did take the price back down toward that swing area. And what do? We found support buyers on the first test. So test number one complete, test number one successful against that swing area. The test of the 61.8% retracement is still, was broken. So I guess it failed. But the subsequent support did hold. Now, speaking of the 61.8, we've seen over the last couple bars that the price has been able to find support near that level at 0.60509. So the buyers are trying to push this pair higher. If we can stay above that 61.8% retracement, that would be the best news for the buyers for a potential move back toward our 200-day moving average. We get above that level, then we'll look toward the 50% and the 100-day moving average. Remember that the price last tested the 100-day moving average here before moving to the downside. So that 100-day moving average is going to be key going forward for this pair if the buyers are to take more control. So watch the 61.8% retracement. Stay above it. You know, if you're a buyer, if you want to be a seller of the US dollar, this is the area to do it against this currency pair. But it has to stay above that level. And if we do stay above that level, we need to get above the 200-day moving average. That's my technical look at the New Zealand versus US dollar. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.